We have learned chapter 5 in our previous lecture. Today we will learn chapter number 6, life skills. In this chapter, our first topic is mind your manners. Mind your manners. We should always behave with others in the same way as we would wish them to behave with us. We should always behave with others in the same way as we would wish them to behave with us. We should be courteous and polite with others and also respect them. Take the options that show good manners. We should take the option that show good manners. First one, when your mother comes to talk to you, what should you do? When your mother comes to talk to you, what should you do? There are given 4 options. Let's see. Make eye contact and listen to her. Turn your back towards her. Start moving away from her. Tell her that you are busy even if you are not. So, our first option is right. Make eye contact and listen to her. Second one, when you go out for dinner with your friend. What do you do when food is served? When you go out for dinner with your friends, what do you do when food is served? First option is start eating as soon as food is served to you. Wait till your friend gets food and then start eating. Start eating after your friends finish. Eat after your friend leaves. When you go out for dinner with your friends, you should wait till your friend gets food and then start eating. Okay? Third one, how should you eat food? How should you eat food? First option, talk loudly while eating. Talk with your mouth full. No. Chew food properly with mouth closed. Drink water while there is food in your mouth. Which is the correct one? Chew food properly with mouth closed. Right? Next one, when you want to say something in a discussion, what should you do? When you want to say something in a discussion, what should you do? First one, interrupt everybody and speak. No. Wait for your turn. Point fingers at others and talk. Shout loudly. So, when you want to say something in a discussion, wait for your turn. Okay? If your friend wants to borrow a pencil from you, what should you do? If your friend wants to borrow a pencil, do not share your extra pencil with him or her. Give him or her your extra pencil. Do not listen to him or her. Shout loudly, no. If your friend wants to borrow a pencil from you, give your extra pencil to him or her. Give your extra pencil to him or her. Table manners are the rules that we should follow while eating at the dining table. Whenever we eat on the dining table, we should follow the table manner. How to sit, how to eat. It is the table manners. Now our second topic is beware of strangers. Beware of strangers. A stranger is a person whom we don't know. We should not talk to a stranger. We should also avoid talking anything from a stranger. Read the following situation. Put tick mark against the sign that warn you about stranger dangers. First is a stranger trying to talk to you. Your friend running the doorbell and asking to play. A stranger asking you for help. A stranger asking you to disobey your parents. your secrets. A stranger trying to talk to you, right? Then a stranger asking you for help. Then a stranger asking you to disobey your parents, and a stranger asking to tell them your secret. Now, second one, choose the correct option in the following situation. If someone tries to hug you without your permission, what should you do? If someone tries to hug you without your permission, loudly say no and inform your parents, or do not say anything. Which is correct option? Loudly say no and inform your parents. Okay. B. If a stranger offers you a chocolate, what should you do? Accept it because you like chocolates, or politely refuse and go to the nearest person you know. Don't accept anything from stranger. Politely refuse and go to the nearest person you know. C. If a stranger makes you uncomfortable or sad, what should you do? If a stranger makes you uncomfortable, tell everything to your parents or keep quiet and ignore it. No, tell everything to your parents. Okay? Tell everything to your parents. D. If someone tries to pull you forcefully, what should you do? If someone tries to pull you forcefully, what should you do? Yell no and try to run away from there as fast as possible. Second one, simply give in without protesting. Yell no and run away from there as soon as possible. Trusted adults are the person whom you can always trust and share all your secrets with. For example, your parents. Trusted adults are the persons whom you can always trust and share all your secrets with. For example, your parents. Only your parents is trustable. Now our third topic is doing the right things. Doing the right thing. It is important for us to behave properly while dealing with people around us. We should react to certain situations in an appropriate manner. Take the correct option for the following situations. First is, during examination, if you do not know any answer, what should you do? The options are, try to copy the answer from your friend's answer sheet. Try to ask your friend the answer. Move on the next question and come back to it later. Right? Don't ask to anyone. Move on the next question and come back to it on later. Second one, how should you watch the TV? How should you watch the TV? Options are, sitting close to the TV? No. Increasing the volume too high? No. Watching from a proper distance and maintaining the volume of the TV. Right? Watching from a proper distance and maintaining the volume of the TV. Third one, if you see an old person trying to cross the road with a bag, what should you do? If you see an old person trying to cross the road with a bag, what should you do? You should just ignore him and move ahead? No. You should help him cross the road and carry his bag. You should ask him to throw his bag. No. The right answer is, you should help him to cross the road and carry his bag. Number 4, if you catch cold and start sneezing continuously, what should you do? You should cover your nose with a handkerchief and say excuse me after sneezing. You should keep sneezing without saying excuse me. You should purposely go near your friend and sneeze just to irritate him or her. The right answer is you should cover your nose with a handkerchief and say excuse me after sneezing. Okay. Number 5. If a friend gives you a gift or surprise, what should you do? You should say thank you to the person. You should return the gift to the person. You should ignore. The correct answer is you should say thank you to the person. Number 6. When you have to get down from the school bus, what should you do? When you have to get down from the school bus. First is push everyone and try to get down first. No. Shout at everyone ahead and move fast. No. Third one, request everyone to make a queue and wait for your turn to get down. Okay, request everyone to make a queue and wait for your turn to get down. Consequences is the outcome of the choices we make and action we take. Okay students, this was our 6th chapter life skills. We will meet in our next lecture.